What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to locate your USDT address on Yellow Card. A USDT address is simply a unique string of letters and numbers that can be used to receive USDT into your Yellow Card account. For the case of this video, we are going to be covering how to locate where do you find your USDT address in case you want to receive a USDT either from a friend, family, or you want to deposit it yourself. In case you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's get started with this video. So you open up your Yellow Card app. After you've opened up your Yellow Card app, you will be required to log into your account. But in case you have not yet registered, you can still go to Play Store and download the app. So you go to Play Store, you download your the Yellow Card app, and you do the registration, complete registration, and KYC verification. I have a video on that on this very channel. You can still check the link I'm going to leave right up here. You can still check that up. So you search for Yellow Card on Play Store, then you download it. I've already downloaded it, that's why it's telling me to update. So after that, we can now log into the account. You put the password. After putting the password, you log in. They will request you for your PIN as well. Request for the PIN as well. You log into your account. So we log into the account. The request for the PIN, you fill in the PIN as well. So in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. So this is how it looks like. So we are going to be checking on where we shall find the USDT address. So we shall basically scroll down. Just scroll down and check where there is USDT. You can see it right down there, USDT. Click on USDT. So there are some buttons right here. We have buy, we have sell, we have send, we have receive. So what we're trying to do right here is to receive USDT. Click on receive, and then it will take you to this where we can see the QR code. So this is the wallet address that we need. So we can also still use the QR code to receive USDT. So you can click on where there is copy to copy the wallet address. You can double check, make sure you don't make any changes. Just copy it direct and send it to the person who wants to send the USDT. And then right below they tell us only we should only send USDT via TRC20 network. So that's the network we should use while sending the USDT. So that's it basically for this video. Thanks for watching. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. And in case you have not yet verified your account, I have a video on I also have a video on how to register and also verify your KYC verification. Kindly check it out in the end screen that's coming up right here. Thanks for watching.